If you're ready to make over $1,000 a day with ChatGPT, you're in the right place. In today's video, I'm going to be walking you through step by step of how you can get started making money with AI tools, and you don't need to be super technically inclined. In fact, all the stuff that I'm going to be showing you in today's video is pretty copy and paste, so you don't have to have a fancy computer and you don't really have to have any money to get started. All you have to do is use a checklist that I'm going to be giving you for free today that's going to help you get started step by step with everything that you need to start earning money, which includes done few emails, done few videos, tutorials, and all kinds of really cool stuff that we actually use ChatGPT to generate, and we actually drive traffic to things that we can get paid to promote with these AI generated posts. Now, if you want all of this stuff, by the way, all you have to do is drop a comment, leave a like, and subscribe, and I'll actually send you access to all of this right now. So let's go ahead and dive into the video. So first thing that you're going to need to do is get the digital playbook. This is the checklist that I was talking about. Just go to digitalplaybook.com, put in first name, email, and you will get sent a link to this Google Sheet. I've been building this Google Sheet for a little over a year now, and it has everything from, frequently asked questions. These are all the prompts that I use for when I create emails, different video prompts that I use to start driving traffic. And then this link right here, this is just a Notion tab of other, prompts that I use for whether it be landing pages, different AI content creation for YouTube, Twitter, LinkedIn. So all these will be at your disposal. Also too, this is a list of 130 plus AI tools. These are the essential tools right here. These are the ones that I'm using right now. Top picks, these are the ones that I've used and loved. And then these are a bunch of other tools. Maybe you're into audio tools, emails, SEO tools. So I've had this list for a while now. So this is the first thing that you're gonna need to get started with the system is get the digital playbook. Second is select an AI tool. So what we're gonna be doing is we're going to be driving traffic to different links with affiliate marketing. So going back over here, let's go ahead and pick out a tool. So let's say, for example, you want to use VSub. This is a tool that I use for content creation. You can use this for brain teasers, fake text, AI videos. So what we're trying to do is we're trying to basically get attention, because you need attention to essentially sell something. And what you're going to be selling is different affiliate links. So what we're going to be doing is signing up for an affiliate program. Let's go with VSub. What you do, create your account right here, or become an affiliate partner right here. And then referral ID, it could just be anything like MB, boom, that would be your affiliate link. And then every time someone signs up with this, boom, you get 20% recurring. Then what you're going to be doing is you're going to be making short form videos of yourself, creating videos on VSub. Or what I give you over here this is prompts that I use for creating short form. I'll go into this in a second, but once you have your AI tool, we're going to be replicating content. So I say replicate just because I give you the stuff to do as far as the scripts right here, but also, where are we? You can just create your content. It really doesn't matter what it is. The whole point is we're just trying to just drive traffic to these links, because every time someone gets signed up or starts using this tool with your code, then you can start getting commissions on it. So these are just, where is it? Oh, I'm not logged in. So I want to go to, next one, I'm going to show you just an example video of what a short can be that you're going to be making.
Here are 3 websites you're probably not even supposed to know exist. First, AIArmyClone.com. It's a secret guide to duplicating yourself online and making serious money. Second, DigitalPlaybook.com. A database of over 400 tools that pay you passive income. And the third one? I can't even say it here, it's too terrifying. It lets you send millions of messages with bots. Comment yes if you dare, and I'll send it.
So right there, you can see that the video is really basic, and I just use still images of myself. Something like this tool right here, you can up it and make it look so much better, but now, I made those videos a couple months ago and I still use them because they do work. But that means that you guys can up the ante, create something really good using VSub, and then just going into the digital playbook, taking my scripts, and then getting your own domain. So the more technical part, pretty much all you're doing is you're creating content and you're getting someone onto your email list. And then in the email list, that is where you're going to be promoting these different affiliate links. You're not going to want to send people directly to the affiliate link. You need to build up some trust with them through ACEs, is the acronym that I like to use. So attention, conversation, educate, and sales. You get their attention through the short form content, then you get them on your email list, and then you start having a conversation with them by sending them emails, educate them, and then they buy or sign up for that tool. So you need a domain. I use Namecheap. You can watch a video right here of how to get a domain, how to connect it. Now, how I use Go High Level. It's really easy to connect domains with. I also really like it because of the email deliverability. And at least from the emails that I've been sending, I have a 23% open rate, which is really good, at least for me right now with how active my list is. So I think that's really good. So Higgsfield, another good thing, but I'm going off topic. Replicate content. Next is we need to send traffic to your link. How do you do that? Is you need to create an Instagram, a Facebook, YouTube, and start posting content. You need to post content. Simply just follow this checklist right here. Because this is literally what I can't tell you. I'm not telling you what to do. Well, I am kind of telling you what to do, but like, what's the quote? Great painters copy. I totally already butchered it. But create your social media accounts right here. And then what you do is once you have Go High Level, I also like it because it's a scheduling tool, is connect all your social medias. Now I have multiple ones. If you're starting off, just focus on just one of each. But you need to start posting because you need to start figuring out the algorithm, figuring out what times to post. There's like so many nuances that you can get into, but really it just comes down to posting every single day. As you can see right here, I have all my posts scheduled out for August and all my posts scheduled out for September. So that's the good thing about this. And then creating long form content. If you're just starting off, you could also take what I'm doing right here as far as this affiliate marketing strategy, this marketing method, and then maybe you don't want to be on camera like this. Well, then go faceless channels. I've seen there's huge channels where they do stuff like this and then they show you how to like edit, or they're promoting other affiliate tools with the faceless channel. That's just, I don't know how to edit really well, like those editing channels that use AI. So I just get in front of a camera and I can talk because I can do this and I can pump out content. So once you schedule all this stuff, you'll start building up your email list. And as far as emails, I think I got rid of the emails that I put in here that I've been using just because really they weren't really performing. So I do need to put in some more email prompts, but really that's what ChatGPT, just type something like, and see what it gives me. And I'm not even being super specific. This is pretty good. 3 AI tools making people money right now. Hey Jake, right now there's a dude, like I'm actually gonna steal this one. Here's the quote. Good painters copy, great painters steal. It's already working for somebody. In ChatGPT 5, I really haven't even messed with it that much, so this is probably really good. So what I covered in this video was, this is how you can eventually start making $1,000 a day. But these are the frameworks. Like if you really want to start making that type of money, you're gonna have to sign up for Go High Level so you can have a database of all the people that have signed up and clicked on your link. Also with Go High Level, you're able to keep all the videos that you create, store them in there and upload it into the scheduler. Same thing with sending emails. You don't have to, but you need to at some point if you want to start making that money. Now, if you really want to get started for free, just focus on creating that attention, because without that, you can't even make money. So start posting every single day on Instagram, TikTok, YouTube. You got to build up your social profiles, even Facebook. So that's another video that I'm going to be making on is Facebook. You're actually allowed to like add friends, things like that, and build a following that way. Go into group. That's more manual, but time, energy, and money are really the 3 main resources. So if you don't got the money, you're going to have to use your time and the energy. When you got money, you don't have to use as much of your time or energy. So you just gotta, whichever situation you're at, that's the one that you're gonna have to go for. But get that checklist, select an AI tool. There's a bunch of AI tools in the digital playbook. Replicate that content. You're sending traffic to that link, and you're automating and repeating. Now, you're gonna see a lot of videos on YouTube of people with the edits, with the, oh my gosh. You're gonna see a lot of videos telling you how to make money, but they're not giving you the framework like this. It's gonna take time. It's gonna take you, go look at my YouTube video. I've been making videos like this for years and years. Okay, not years and years, but 1 year is when I really started to documenting my process. And the videos that I've been like, some videos would get 300, 400 views. Like total in my whole channel, I think I have 140,000 views, but I have 2 YouTube channels. I got 4 Instagrams. I got 5 Facebooks. All those views add up to 30,000 people on my email list. Like, that's where the real money happens. So I hope you learned something. I'm gonna start posting videos pretty regularly, but that is it for this one, AI Pros. I will see you in the next one.